Namaste children. How are you all? I hope you are fine. So now we are discussing the sixth unit, the triangle and its properties. In the last class we discussed what is a triangle and what are the properties related to this triangle, and more especially we studied types of triangles based on the sides, based on angles, and we also studied what is median of a triangle and how many medians can be drawn to a triangle. What is altitude of a triangle we studied in the previous class. With that knowledge we solved exercise number 6.1, and today's topic is exterior angle of a triangle and its property. Exterior angle of a triangle and its property. What is the meaning of the exterior? Exterior means outside. The meaning of the word exterior, it is outside. Angle formed outside of a triangle. Angle, simply we can say it is angle formed outside of a triangle is known as exterior angle. How the angle is formed outside? By extending one of the side of the triangle. By extending one side of the triangle, an exterior angle is formed. See, for example, here this is let ABC is a triangle. ABC is a triangle. Now BC is extended to D. BC is extended to D. So outside we have one angle is formed with what? Side AC and BC when it is extended to D. So now this angle ACD, this angle is known as what? Exterior angle of the triangle ABC. Exterior angle of the triangle ABC. So why it is called exterior angle? Because this angle is formed outside the triangle. So now what is exterior angle of a triangle? When one side of the triangle is extended, then with that side and its adjacent side the angle is formed. That angle is known as exterior angle. So the angle formed by the two sides of a triangle when one side is extended outside, extended, is known as exterior angle of a triangle. Exterior angle of a triangle. So what is exterior angle of a triangle? The angle formed by extending one side of a triangle, with its adjacent side is known as exterior angle, exterior angle of a triangle, exterior angle of a triangle. So it is formed outside. Here what is exterior angle in this figure? Angle ACD is exterior angle. Now how it is related to the angles of the triangle ABC? Inside we have triangle, it is angle A, angle B and angle C. We have three angles are there. What we call these three angles? These three angles are known as interior angles. Angle A, angle B and angle C are called what? It is interior angles. Angle A, angle B, angle C are what? They are interior angles of the triangle. Why they are called interior angles? Because these angles are formed inside the triangle, that is interior part of the triangle. That's why these angles are known as interior angles. And here this angle is formed outside, that's why this angle is known as exterior angle. Now like this, how many exterior angles we can draw? How many ways we can draw the exterior angle to a triangle? For example, you take here one triangle, it is you can take PQR. So by extending QR, one exterior angle is formed. By extending, this is one exterior angle, and by extending PQ side, we got one angle is formed. So this angle is an exterior angle at point Q or at vertex Q. Similarly, when we extend peak R, so this angle is known as again one exterior angle. So how many ways? This is three ways are there. Only three ways are there. Three more ways are there. We can express the exterior angles of a triangle. What are the three more ways which we can explain? So by extending this angle at here, by extending this side, what side it is? PR. We got one external angle is formed here outside. Similarly, by extending QR, it is formed an external angle at here. This is an external angle. And similarly, PQ, when we extend this with this side here, we got one external angle. So in 6 ways we can express the exterior of a triangle. Now we will discuss what is this exterior angle, how it is related to the interior angles of the triangle. So here angle C is there, which is interior, that is angle BCA. It is adjacent to this angle. Which angle? To exterior angle ACD. What about angle A and angle B? They are interior opposite angles. Angle A and angle B are called what it is? Interior opposite angles of exterior angle ACD. Angle A and angle B are interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles are alternate interior angles. Interior opposite angles of angle ACD. Angle ACD. It is these two, that is angle A and angle B are what? The interior opposite angles to angle ACD. What about angle C? That is angle C is adjacent angle of angle ACD. Angle ACD. Now, what is the relationship between the interior angles of the triangle with the exterior angle? That relation we will study in the form of a property. That property is known as exterior angle property of a triangle. Exterior angle property of a triangle. Now if you observe this figure, how much is this angle? Angle BAC and angle ACD. Angle BAC, this angle, and angle ACD. So these two angles are formed, they are adjacent angles and they are linear pair of angles. These two angles are there on the straight line. So sum of these two angles is equals to how much it is? 180 degrees. How much it is? 180 degrees. Angle and a straight angle is 180 degrees. Now we will study what is the relationship between this angle ACD and with angle A and angle B. That relationship is known as exterior angle property of a triangle. Is it clear, children? What is exterior angle of a triangle? How many ways we can represent that exterior angle of a triangle? Yes. Now we will discuss exterior angle property of a triangle. So far we discussed what is exterior angle of a triangle. Now what is the property related to that exterior angle of a triangle? That property is known as exterior angle property of a triangle. So you see the figure, triangle ABC. When BC is extended, we got angle ACD is the exterior angle. Now this cut angle A and cut angle B from the triangle. You paste these two angles in angle ACD. You will find that in this way, if you paste, you will find that these two angles will occupy the angle ACD. It means that measure of angle ACD is equals to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. That is, measure of angle ACD is equals to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. This is by cutting and pasting method we can prove that angle ACD, that is measure of angle ACD is equals to measure of angle A and measure of angle B. Cut these two angles and you paste in the angle ACD. These two angles will occupy that angle completely. Then we can say that measure of angle ACD is equals to measure of angle A plus measure of angle B. What is angle ACD? It is exterior angle. That is, an exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of its two interior opposite angles. You see here angle A and angle B, how they are related to this angle ACD exterior angle? They are interior means inside and they are opposite angles. Why they are opposite angles? Angle C, this angle is adjacent angle, the remaining two angles are opposite angles. As they are inside, therefore they are called interior opposite angles. Therefore what we can conclude from this paper by cutting and pasting method, it is an activity. What we can say, measure of an exterior angle ACD is equals to sum of its two interior opposite angles, that is angle A and angle B. The same we can prove by measuring the angles. Measure angle ACD using the protractor. Using protractor. Measure using protractor. Measure angle ACD. Measure angle ACD. Angle ACD if you measure. And measure angle A, measure angle B using protractor. So then both add the measure angle A and angle B together. We get the sum is equals to again measure of angle ACD. So that is measure of angle A plus measure of angle B will get. So by using a protractor, measure angle ACD, that is equals to measure of angle A and measure of angle B. If you measure them individually and add up them, find their sum. That sum is equals to exterior angle ACD. So from these two, what we can conclude? We can conclude that an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. This property is known as exterior angle property of a triangle. So what it is? An exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. So by adding the interior opposite angles, we get the exterior angle. Is it clear? The statement an exterior angle of a triangle is equal to sum of its interior opposite angles. Now we will discuss with some examples. So we can prove this by cutting and pasting method, paper cutting, and then also by using protractor. By measuring with protractor those angles, we can prove this statement. This statement is known as exterior angle property of a triangle. Now using this property, we will find the exterior angle when we know its interior opposite angles. Similarly, we know the exterior angle and we can find its interior opposite angle, one interior opposite angle when we know the other interior opposite angle. Is it clear, children? Now we will discuss exercise number 6.2 with the knowledge of exterior angle and exterior angle property of a triangle. What is exterior angle property of a triangle? The exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of, that is addition of its two opposite interior angles. Interior opposite angles of that exterior angle. See here, find the value of the unknown exterior angle. So here unknown exterior angle, we don't know the exterior angle measure. That value is given as x. In the following diagrams, we need to find the x. See the first question, 50 degrees and 70 degrees. Two angles are given, interior angles, and exterior angle is x. So what is the relation between this x and these two interior angles? These two interior angles are interior opposite angles. They are opposite angles. Do you agree? Yes. Next come here it is x is there and here inside 30 degrees and 40 degrees. Two angles we know. How they are related to this x? This angle is adjacent angle. Definitely the remaining two angles are what? Interior opposite angles. So x is exterior angle and 30 and 40 degrees, what they are there? Alternate or interior opposite angles. See the fourth question, 60 degrees and 60 degrees. Here we have the x, that is exterior angle is there. So how these 60 degrees and 60 degrees are related to the exterior angle? So these two angles are interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles. So now x is equals to what? Sum of the two interior opposite angles, that is 50 plus 70 is equals to 120 degrees. See the first question, it is x is equals to 70 degrees plus 50 degrees. Why it is? Exterior angle of a triangle is exterior angle property of a triangle. Exterior angle property of a triangle. What it says that? It says that exterior angle, that is x, is equals to sum of its two interior opposite angles, that is 50 plus 70 is equals to what it is? 120 degrees. So x is equals to what it is? 120 degrees. Similarly, the third question it is we need to find again x. So here x is equals to what it is? 30 degrees plus 40 degrees. Why there? It is again exterior angle property. Exterior angle property of a triangle. Exterior angle property of a triangle. By using this property, we can say that exterior angle of any triangle is equals to sum of its two interior opposite angles. That is 30 plus 40 is equals to 70 degrees. Now x is equals to what it is? 70 degrees. Next, the fourth sum it is, see in that question again, x is equals to what it is? 60 degrees plus 60 degrees. That is, why again it is? Exterior angle property of a triangle. That is, x is equals to what? 60 plus 60 it is 120 degrees. It is an obtuse angle. Like this we will find the exterior angle when we know its two interior opposite angles. When we can find exterior angle, if we know the interior opposite angles like this, we can find the exterior angle. Now we will extend our knowledge to find the interior angle. One interior angle, if one interior angle is given and exterior angle is given, how to find the unknown interior opposite angle. So out of these three, one is given and here it is the exterior angle also will be given. Then how to find the interior opposite angle which is unknown with this knowledge. So did you understand how to find exterior angle of a triangle? Just by adding the measures of interior opposite angles. Measures of interior opposite angles. We get the measure of exterior angle of a triangle. Now we will discuss exercise number 6.2, the second bit. Find the unknown interior angle x. So what we have to find? Interior angle. Unknown means we don't know. That is given in the form of x in the following figures. In the previous problem, the unknown angle is exterior angle is unknown angle. Here the unknown angle is interior angle. So how to find this value? For example, sum of two numbers is equals to 10. Sum of two numbers is equals to 10. Sum of two numbers. One number is equals to 3. One number is equals to 3. Then what is the other number? How do you find the other number? We will find the other number by subtracting the known number from the sum. By subtracting the known number from the sum. Sum is equals to 10. Unknown number it is 3. 10 minus 3 is 7. Similarly, if you know one number is, that is sum of two numbers is 15 and one number is 7. How do you find the other number? By subtracting 15 minus 7. That is equals to 8. Similar concept we will apply here to find the unknown angle, that is interior angle. Why? Because sum of these two interior opposite angles is equals to exterior angle. So this 115 is equals to 50 plus x. 50 plus x. And here it is 125 is equals to what? X. And what is this sign represent? This sign represents a right angle, that is 90 degrees. It is not given, means it is 90 degrees. Always this symbol if you find it is 90 degrees. That is a right angle, perpendicular. Now in this 75 degrees is equals to 35 degrees plus x. So we know one angle and we don't know the other angle. So how can you find? By subtracting the known angle from the exterior angle, that is 75 minus 35. Here 125 minus 90 and here it is 115 minus 50. We get the what it is known, that is unknown interior angle. Unknown interior angle will get it. So here also we are using what it is, the property, that is exterior angle property of the triangle. So the first question it is. So apply here it is exterior angle, it is 115 degrees is equals to what it is 50 plus 50 degrees plus x. 50 degrees plus x, that is to get x we need to subtract 50 from 115 degrees or not. So what we get? That is by using again what it is exterior angle property. Exterior angle property of a triangle. Property of a triangle. That is exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of its two interior opposite angles. So now to find x, we will transpose 50 to the left hand side. That is plus 50 will become minus 50, or simply to find x, subtract 50 from 115. That is x is equals to 115 degrees minus 50 degrees. That is x is equals to how much will get 115 minus 50? It is 65 degrees will get. 5 minus 0 it is 5, 11 minus 5 it is 6, 65 degrees. So the unknown angle in the first bit it is 65 degrees. Just subtract the known angle from exterior angle to get the unknown angle. So what is the concept? Subtract the known angle from the exterior angle to get the unknown angle. So this next, the third question it is. Third question, what it is? This symbol represents what it is? 90 degrees. Am I right or no? This symbol represents it is 90 degrees. Now x is equals to what it is? X is equals to 125 degrees minus 90. As I told, subtract the known angle, that is known interior angle, from the exterior angle 125. That is 125 minus 90 is equals to what it is? 35 degrees. How much it is? 35 degrees. Rough work. 125 minus 35. 12 minus 9 is 3. 35 degrees. So again here what property we used? Same property, that is exterior angle property of a triangle. Angle property of a triangle. Exterior angle property of a triangle. Now to find from the sixth sum, this is, so what is here? It is exterior angle is 75 degrees, known interior angle is 35 degrees, unknown interior angle is x. So to find x, what we have to do? Subtract 35 from 75 degrees. We get 75 minus 35 is equals to 40. So now x is equals to exterior angle 75 minus interior angle, it is 35 degrees. Again this is again exterior angle property. Exterior angle property of a triangle. Now x is equals to 75 minus 35 is equals to what it is? 40 degrees. 75 minus 40 degrees is equals to 35 is equals to 40 degrees. See here, you can subtract rough work. Here it is 75 minus 35 degrees. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 3 it is 4. 40 degrees. We will get rough work, it is 40 degrees. Now x is equals to what? 40 degrees. Like this, we will find the unknown interior opposite interior angle by subtracting the known interior opposite angle from the exterior angle. I hope you understand how to find this. So what we studied today? Exterior angle of a triangle. What is exterior angle of a triangle? When one side of the triangle is extended, the angle formed by with that extended line segment with its adjacent side is known as exterior angle of a triangle. How many ways we can draw the exterior angle? It is 6 ways we can draw the exterior angles to a triangle. So now what is the relationship between the exterior angle and the interior angles of a triangle? So we have 3 angles are there in interior angles. One angle is just beside the exterior angle is there, therefore that angle is known as adjacent angle. The remaining 2 angles are known as interior opposite angles. Interior opposite angles. Now there is a relationship between the interior opposite angles and the exterior angle of a triangle. That property, that relation is known as exterior angle property of a triangle. What it says that the exterior angle of any triangle, is equals to sum of its 2 interior opposite angles. That is, the exterior angle of a triangle is equals to sum of its 2 interior opposite angles. That property is known as exterior angle property of a triangle. Using that property, we solved exercise number 6.2. That is, we found exterior angle by adding the 2 given interior opposite angles. The other one, it is when one interior opposite angle is given and exterior angle is given, how to find the other unknown interior opposite angle. That is, we found by subtracting the known interior opposite angle from the exterior angle. We discussed in the exercise number 6.2. I hope you understand today's concept. Is it clear, children? And your homework is exercise number 6.2, question number 1, 2nd, 5th and 6th. Question number 2, 2nd, 4th and 5th. This is your homework. I hope you understand today's concept. Thank you very much and complete the given homework.